Good afternoon, students. This is lecture number first. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is percentage. This is chapter number 7. Okay, very interesting chapter, and we are going to discuss this. Okay, in this chapter we are generally discuss the percentage value and the fractional and decimal values of that fraction. Okay, so let us start with the percentage. Percentage. What is percentage? Actually, the percentage is 1/100. Okay. If you say x percent of something, then we can say that x by 100, or 10%. 10% means 10 by 100. Okay. Similarly, percentage means 1/100. 1/100 of any value, that is percentage. Okay. So this is the basic. Okay. The exercise 7A is totally based on your basic. Okay. So let us start with the exercise 7A. Then we can further use some formula like percentage increase and percentage errors, percentage decrease. Okay, we will discuss it later on with the exercise questions. Okay, so question number 1 in exercise 7A, that is 15%, and we have to convert it as a fraction and decimal. Okay, fraction and decimal. Okay, so we are dealing directly with exercise question 7. Very simple chapter. Okay, question number 1 first. The first question is 15%. So we are looking for the second part. Okay, 84%. 84%. Percent means 1/100. It means 84 by 100. First of all, we have to simplify. Simplify both the term. Okay, divide by 4. 4 to ja and 4 1 ja and 420. Okay, this is the simplest form. So this is the fractional value, and we can also say that this is the simplest form of this percentage. 84% is the simplest to 21 by 25, because further it cannot be solved. So this is the fractional value. Now we have to find out the decimal value. Okay, what is decimal value? We have to just convert this value as, just divide by 25. Okay, 0. Then we have 210, that is 25 8 ja 200. 210. Then we have 25 8 ja 200. Then we have remaining 10 0 and 25 4 ja 100. Cancel out. So it will be 0.84. Okay. Okay. This is somehow tough. So we have to calculate the simpler value. How we can calculate? Okay. So actually the 84% is 84 by 100. Okay, so 84 by 100, जब भी किसी नंबर को हमको मल्टीप्लाई करना हो 84 into 100, then we can say that it is 8400. एंड अगर हमको डिवाइड करना हो, तो हमको 2 पॉइंट पे डेसिमल के साथ लिखना है. सिमिलरली वी कैन से दैट 0.8, बिकॉज 21/25 is the simplest form of this, so both the values are same. ओके, सो ये सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म होगी, और ये हमारे फ्रैक्शनल वैल्यू के साथ हमने परसेंटेज को लिखा. ओके, सो दिस इज फ्रैक्शन 84 by 100 एंड दिस इज फ्रैक्शनल वैल्यू, सॉरी सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ दिस फ्रैक्शन. ओके, सारी चीजें कैसे, ये हमारा फ्रैक्शन हो गया 84% का, ये हमारा सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म हो गया, एंड ये डेसिमल फॉर्म. एंड डेसिमल फॉर्म दोनों फॉर्म के इक्वल होंगे ऑलवेज. ओके, सो फिफ्थ पार्ट 33 whole 1/3. Fifth part 33 whole 1/3 percentage. Okay, first of all multiply. This is actually the 100 by 3 percentage. 100 by 3 means 100 by 3 into 1/100, because percentage is 1/100. So this is actually 1/3. Yes or no? 100 by 3 percentage means 1/100. 100 cancelled with this 1/3. So 1/3 is the fractional value. Okay, 1/3 also the simplest form of this fraction. Okay, now decimal. Okay, now we have to find out the decimal value of this fraction. Okay, can we say that this is 100 by 3? So 1/3, just divide like this. 0.10, then 3. Okay, 3 3 is 9 1 0 then again, so 0.333, that is the decimal value. Okay, now question number second, write each of the following as percentage. Okay, very simple question. अब हमको परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करना है. Okay, question number second, first part is 3/5. We have to convert this fraction in percentage. Okay, परसेंटेज को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमको 1/100 चाहिए. 1/100 के लिए हमको 3/5 को 20 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, यानी यहाँ भी 20 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, दैट इज 60/100, और 60/100 मीन्स 60%. वेरी सिंपल, बिकॉज 1/100. सो 20 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, हमको 100 बनाना है. 100 बनाने के लिए हमने 20 से मल्टीप्लाई करा, दैट्स वाई 60/100 एंड 60/100 इज 60%. ओके, नाउ 2.575 फिफ्थ पार्ट को देखेंगे. 2.575. ओके, 2.575. ओके, जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड 575 मल्टीप्लाई बाय एंड डिवाइड बाय 100. ओके, मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड, मल्टीप्लाई करने में वैल्यू हो जाएगी 257.5. 257.5 अपॉन 100 मीन्स परसेंटेज, सो इट इज 257.5%. नाउ थर्ड क्वेश्चन, एक्सप्रेस ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रेशियो एज परसेंटेज. ओके, रेशियो को हमको कन्वर्ट करना है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ परसेंटेज. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, द फर्स्ट रेशियो इज 1:4. 1:4, we can say that this is equal to 1/4. 1/4, if you have to convert this value as a percentage, we know if you multiply 4 into 25, then it become 25/100. It means it is equal to 25%. Very simple. Now the second one is 21/40. Sorry, third one 21/40. Okay, 21/40 को चेंज करने के लिए 21/2 into 20. Can we say that it is 2 into 20? Okay. Now इस क्वेश्चन में हमको क्या करना है, 20 if you multiply 20 into 5 then it become 100. Okay, 2 को अलग लिखना. 21 into 5 because 5 से multiply, 5 से divide, so it become 21 into 5, that is 100/2 into 1/100. Can we say that 20 into 5, that is 100, 1/100, and 21 into 5, 105. So this is the percentage value. We can say that this is 105/2%. And if we are to solve this value, then we can solve it as 52.5%. 52.5%. Okay, now question number 4 is your homework, because 45%. In question number 4 we have 45%. So 45% is 45/100. Just divide by the common multiple. Okay, like 5 9 45 and 20. So 9/20. So answer is 9:20. Okay, similarly you have to solve the other part of the question number 4. Now question number 5, express the first quantity as a percentage of the second quantity. 10 centimeter of 1 meter. Very simple question है. Question number 5th, 10 centimeter as 1 meter. Okay, question number 5, 10 centimeter of 1 meter. 10 cm of 1 meter. We have to express first quantity as a percentage of second quantity. How much this is a total percentage of this? Okay, 10 centimeter. Okay, we know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, we have to just convert 10 centimeter upon 100 centimeter. Is how much of this percentage? 10/100 centimeter cancel with this, it become 10/100 means 10%. So we can say that 10 centimeter is the 10% of 1 meter. Yes or no? 10 centimeter is the 10%. अगर 10% की वैल्यू 10 सेंटीमीटर है तो 100% की कितनी वैल्यू हो जाएगी? 100 सेंटीमीटर. Okay. Okay, now we have third part 1/10 of 2/5. Third part 1/10 of 2/5. Okay, 1/10 2/5 का कितना परसेंट होगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसको चेंज कर देते हैं. इसको चेंज करने से क्या हो जाएगा? हमारा एलसीएम सेम हो जाएगा. 1/10 4/10 का कितना परसेंटेज होगा? यस और नो? ओके, 1/10 इंटू 10/4 कैंसिल, सो 1/4. It means 1/4. If you convert this in percentage, so can we say that? Yes or no? So 25 into 4, that is 100, and 25, so it is 25%. 1/10 is the 25% of 2/5. Okay, actually the first question is that just we have to multiply 2/5 with 2/2 so that the LCM of both the fractional value are same.